Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you what means the G, C1, C2 in the microwave BEKO BMG. So if you're using the combining mode, as you can see there have a the G, the C1 and C2. This is a percent of using the microwave and grill. G, it's a only grill, so 100% power going to the only grill function. The C1, it's a 55% of the microwave and 45% of the grill. C2, it's a 36% of the microwave power and 64% of the grill power. So this combined mode settings. If you want to accept anyone, click on the start and set the time. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, comment, and goodbye.